Hey, my name's Dr. Natalie Lopez here. I'm going to help you unshrug your shoulders by releasing some upper trap tension. So bring your shoulders up towards your ears when you take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop them down as far as you can. Inhale, rising up with the shoulders. Exhale, dramatically bringing them down. Find this just encourages a little bit more deep breathing. A lot of times we're stuck in the shallow breath and we can use a lot of our neck muscles while we do shallow deep breaths when we're stressed or anxious. So this is a good way to encourage a full deep breath and relaxing through those shoulder blades. So try that inhale all the way up and then exhale coming down. This next one I find kind of gets into your whole shoulder as well as your shoulder blade. So think of your thumb turning in all the way, thumb opening up, but keep the arm straight so you can get the entire shoulder and shoulder blade to move with you versus if you bend the elbow, you'll lose some of that movement. I really like this one because it really gets into opening up the chest as well as getting some movement in between our shoulder blades. So add in a few more reps of those to really loosen it up. And it's also just a nice, easy way to integrate throughout your day without having to make a big fuss about it. And there we go. Now we're going to get into our thoracic spine, so our upper back. So you're going to be kneeling close to the wall, and you're going to bring your arm in the big circle, coming one direction, looking with your head and neck, so that way you're getting rotation that way. Keeps the hips square facing that half kneeling position you start with. Try not to let it join in the rotation, so you keep it just for your upper back. This way you can get a little bit more into what we call our thoracic spine, and then our shoulder blade and shoulder mobility with it. So make sure you do this on both sides. As you see here, my neck and eyes are following my hand and continuing that circle motion. So I'm going to try to get a little more rotation each time, getting a little further, but while still trying to keep my hips square facing forward the way I started. This is trying to keep it primarily in through my upper back and shoulders and mid back. So rotating, trying to get a little further each time. Make sure you're a little further away from the wall, because if not, the closer to get to the wall, the harder this mobility is. And so that way, if this becomes easier, you can move yourself closer to the wall to get a little more motion out of it and increasing it each time. So try it out.